What happens when a country loses control of its own sky even for a few hours? Imagine this. A McDonnell Douglas FA-18. Hornet flies deep into hostile territory. Within minutes, precision-guided bombs take out a critical early warning radar. Suddenly, the defending side is blind. Moments later, a missile locks on the jet is hit. The pilot ejects and chaos begins. This isn't just a dramatic scenario. It's a glimpse into how modern warfare really works. Today, wars aren't won just by tanks or troops. They're decided in the air. At the center of this battle is something called air superiority. It doesn't just mean having powerful fighter jets. It means controlling the sky so completely that the enemy can't operate freely, while your own forces can. And the backbone of that control? A modern air defense system. These systems are not just missiles. They are a complex network. Long-range radars that detect threats hundreds of kilometers away, surface-to-air missiles that intercept incoming aircraft, anti-aircraft guns for close defense, and command systems that connect everything in real time. Think of it like a digital shield, always watching, always calculating. But what happens if that shield breaks? The consequences are devastating. First, the enemy gains full air dominance. Their fighter jets, bombers, and drones can enter your airspace without resistance, carrying out surveillance, strikes, and support missions freely. Second, everything on the ground becomes vulnerable. Military bases, supply lines, command centers, nothing is hidden anymore. Precision weapons guided by satellites can strike targets with extreme accuracy, without even needing expensive long-range missiles. Third, your own air force becomes nearly useless. Without protection from ground-based defenses, your aircraft are exposed during takeoff, landing, and combat. They can be intercepted or destroyed before they even engage. And finally, you lose control of the war itself. Without air superiority, it becomes almost impossible to launch effective operations. Morale drops, coordination breaks down, and the balance shifts rapidly in favor of the enemy.